Hey y'all, what's going on? This is a DIY. I'm altering an outfit for Charlotte that I bought for her for Christmas, and it is the cutest outfit. I always have to alter jumpers or rompers that have like the kind of suspenders on them, which is a really cute one-piece outfit. It's like a light gray with a dark gray polka dots, and it has like the little suspenders up the back, but the strap's really long, like extremely long, and I had to cut the straps off each side, and for one side I just I cut it, folded the material under, and what you need to do is, if you're going to do this for one of your reborns, you're going to put the outfit on. Don't ever try to do this with the outfit off. You're going to put the outfit on the baby, and you're going to try to bring the suspenders, the straps, all the way up as tight as possible so your outfit can fit the reborn. And what I did is, I'm just going to kind of bring the camera on down, is I just took a little needle and thread, I just folded this over and just whip stitched a few little stitches all across the seam, so that way this wouldn't fray. And before doing that, I put a couple little dots. I put one right here on the edge and then one right here, and I realized that the button is going to go around the one on top, just around up there. So being that I already did that side, I am going to do the other side. So I already have my needle and thread. I've already gone ahead and knotted the end quite a few times, so it's not going to slip through. I've actually got to do that probably twice more. I'd rather have a big knot than have it to just not slip through the fabric. And I've had to do this with many outfits for my babies. I love one-piece rompers with the suspenders, and you can do this to any outfit with the buttons. As long as there are buttons, that's great, but if there are those metal clasps or snaps, you may still be able to do that, but I just don't know how. So I have my needle here. I love this because it's a plastic needle. It's not a metal needle, so it's not going to hurt if I kind of poke it through and get my finger. So I'm just going to take this and fold it under just a teeny bit. There we go. And so you don't see that big piece of a knot coming through. I'm going to just put the needle through the underside and bring it all the way up, and that knot is going to just be nestled right under there. And I'm just going to take those little ends and clip them, so that way that thread isn't going to be showing. I'm just going to make little teeny tiny incisions underneath, and I'm going to poke it up through, and I'm going to make a whip stitch, or a knot stitch, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to bring it up through. Instead of pulling it all the way up, I'm going to put it between the string, and that way when I pull it up, it's going to knot it in place. Just like that, so it's going to hold it really well. Got to put a little piece on the outside, and I'm just going to go all the way through keep on whip stitching it or knot stitching it, whatever you want to call it, all the way across. Now, if it puckers, that is okay. You don't care really what it looks like underneath because nobody's going to see it underneath. And my guilty pleasure for clothes for reborns are always one-piece outfits with like the suspenders. And always, 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 I have to alter them because the suspenders are always too long for reborns. And after I do this, not that. After I do this, then I'm going to put this outfit on Charlotte so you can see just how stinking cute it is. I already took off these two pieces with the buttons on them. The buttons are sitting right next to the side. Now, if you want to put a couple buttons on, you can, but I always just use the one button because they show underneath anyway, so they're not gonna, so you don't need them for a fashion sense because they are always hiding underneath. Try to make this as neat as possible, but if you see a whole lot of string, it doesn't really matter. Now, the only reason you probably don't want to alter your clothes is if you're going to try to sell it to a mom with a real child. But if you're going to try to sell it to somebody else with a reborn, then most reborns, because they don't have, lots of, like a neck, pretty much. They're all short-necked reborns. I'll use short clothes. Okay, so I'm just going to on the outside. And just there we go. Oh, see, I stabbed myself and it didn't even hurt because it's a plastic needle. Again, not the neatest sewing, but it doesn't even really matter. Let's get a button going on here. And I'm going to put it right above this mark. Okay. Come on. Come on. There we go. Make sure that it's even. I don't want it cattywamped. I don't want it topsy-turvy. There we go. What I do is I just go up and down the same hole about a good probably 5 or 6 times before I move on, because I don't want this to start to turn around. Here we go. And then I'm going to go up this one and do the same about 4 or 5 times. If I had a nice dark gray, I would use that, but I don't. So White is just as good. I'm hoping the button is as over as it should be. That looks good. That looks good. Super, super easy to do this. And I'm going to come up and then I'm going to go diagonally about 3 times. I hate when you lose your space, because then when you lose your place, it takes a minute to find it again. There we go. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, the string is now kind of caught. And it just broke. Hi, big girl. Hi, big girl. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you sitting there? Oh, did mommy do your hair tonight? You're looking so cute. You've got some new earrings in. Yeah. So here she is, everybody. Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Here she is in her cute new little outfit. She's got a long one-piece outfit romper. Yeah, Mama did her hair. It's looking really nice. Feel soft? Yeah. This is a 2T. And it's a little snug, but that's okay. I wanted it really nice and snug. And this is what she looks like. Don't be shy. Show everybody. Show everybody. So I'm looking so cute. Jeez. I'm looking so cute. Yeah. Got the one-piece romper. Oh, you're trying to touch Mommy's computer, huh? What? Yeah. You want to sit and play the computer? Yeah. You're such a sweet girl. Mommy took a little while to do her hair. She is my little cuddle bug, my little snuggle bug. Huh? Yes, you are. You're so sweet. What? Come here. What? What? Say hello, everybody. Cute tushy. Cute tushy. Are you hiding? Mommy, don't talk about my tushy. Don't talk about my tushy, Mama. Huh? Yeah. You're cutie patootie. Like your new earrings? They're rainbows. You have new earrings? You've got new earrings? Yeah. Your hair on fleek. You even got a little pocket to put a couple of your trolls in there. You gonna put a couple trolls in there and play with them? Yeah, the toys. No, play. I'll play toys. Wanna play? Yeah. Well, anyway, that was it. That was Charlotte. And she was gonna play, but she's just kind of sitting there like sinking into the sunset. Gonna sit up. So that was her cute little outfit that I altered, and you can see now why I had to alter it instead of bring it back, because it was just so cute. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.